Here I'm using my Rose and Apricot priming oil. I'm putting it to my face in 3 areas, and I will spread it all around. Now I'm using my spoolie tool and I'm brushing all my eyebrow hairs in one direction. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that priming oil off of my eyebrows. Here we have our Kiss Top Brow Pomade. And I'm just gonna go in there and start to sculpt my eyebrows and create the shape I want and fill them in. Now it's time to conceal, and I use my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I go ahead and clean it up. Here I'm applying my Covergirl concealer to my eyelids for a more consistent base color for my eyeshadow. And this is my new taco palette from Glamlite. It's called Viva Taco. Kancun Kayla loves tacos. And we're starting with our pickled carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my Q-tip in my Micellar water, and I'm gonna clean up the edges right there. Also cleaning the inner corners of my eye. Now we're gonna use that guacamole. And while applying this color, you kind of want to pack it on there, very rich in color, because if you try to spread it and mix it, the color will become less pigmented. We're gonna go ahead and blend that guacamole into our original color, the pickled carrot. Here I'm just wiping off any eyeshadow that may have fallen on my face. And who doesn't like cilantro? We're gonna go ahead and put that into the corners of our eye. Now we're gonna use our Stila eyeliner. Now we're going to apply lashes. And to stick these bad boys on, I do use weave glue, even though it's advised you don't. There are many different glues for lashes that do work. This is my Airspun translucent setting powder, and I'm going to apply that all over my face before I apply my foundation. This is my Superstay Maybelline 24 Hours Foundation, and I'm applying this all over my face. The color is 355 Coconut. This is my Maybelline concealer. I will use it to highlight areas such as underneath my eye, my nose bone, my forehead, my chin, and the space between my nose and my lip. This is my dark concealer. I will use it to face shape, and I am lining my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. Here I am taking this brush and I am going in a circular motion to blend in this darker color to my complexion. Here is my Milani blush. It's the color Coral Cove. I will be applying it to my cheeks and to my nose to create an even tone on my face. This is my Loreal Truematch powder, and it is in the color N7. I apply it to the areas where I first applied my translucent powder so that it does not leave a white flashback. Here I'm applying a black lip liner just for some shape. And here I'm applying Revlon Color Stay a little red just for some color. I am just glossing this up here with some regular lip gloss. I'm not the biggest fan, so I use anyone really. Now let's bathe in some setting spray. We're going to go ahead and highlight our cheeks and the side of our face near our temple. And the shape of that pattern is going to resemble the letter L. So if you haven't noticed yet, I have a very small nose, so I take a small brush and I highlight my nose. And voila, here it is.